Basic division. Yay! Yahoo! Bravo! Let's go! Don't be afraid of math. Math is not going to hurt you. Ron here from LTL Tutoring Central, and it's true. I have never seen math actually kill anyone. So don't be afraid of it. And here's a few tips for basic division. This is just a short video. A few students were having difficulty with division, and I thought maybe a video that you could watch over and over might help. So first of all, learn how to multiply. If possible, learn your tables. I put under here, psst, learn your tables. It's very important to know your multiplication tables. It will really help you when it comes to division. And the reason is division is the inverse or sort of the opposite operation to multiplication. So if you know your multiplication tables, you can use that to do division as well. Now let's look at some examples, and I'm just reading these off the screen. 2 times 4 equals 8, 5 times 6 equals 30, and 9 times 7 equals 63. Now, if we look on the right side where we have divide, you can see that I've drawn very roughly because I'm not used to using my little pad. But 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And those two division statements are related to 2 times 4 equals 8. You'll notice all the numbers are the same. 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4. Same thing with 5 times 6 equals 30. As division, we have 30 divided by 6 equals 5, and 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So you're really just flipping everything over. And it goes on with 63 divided by 7 equals 9, and 63 divided by 9 equals 7. So division is just the flip side of multiplication. And now you can see why knowing your multiplication tables can really help you with division. Now let's just look at this in sort of picture form, or a little rough picture here. I've drawn some little circles, or some little blobs if you like. And we have 2 times 4 equals 8. So you can see we have 2 groups of 4, and 2 groups of 4 equals 8. If you count them all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then on the flip side, we have division. Well, on the top, I've drawn the 8 little blobs, and I've divided them into groups of 2 because I'm dividing by 2. And if I circle groups of 2, I end up with 4. And you can see also, if you remember the last screen, 2 times 4 equals 8. So that makes sense. Or on the second picture on the right, again, I drew 8 little blobs, and I circled 2 of them because we're dividing by 4, and I want 4 in each group. And if I do that, I end up with 2 groups. And again, 2 times 4 equals 8, or 4 times 2 equals 8. So you can see how this works in a bit of a pictorial form. So how do you do this when you're faced with just the division question by itself? So here we have an example, 20 divided by 5 equals question mark. So think to yourself, 5 times what equals 20? And if you know your multiplication tables, you'll know it right away. But if not, you can work your way up to it by doing 5 times 2 equals 10, 5 times 3 equals 15, 5 times 4 equals 20. So 4 is the answer because 20 is what we want. We've started with 20 and we're dividing by 5. On the right-hand side, you can see divide by multiplying. So you can see that if you have a division question like 20 divided by 5, if you multiply 5 times the answer 4, 5 times 4 equals 20. Or 20 divided by 4 equals 5 because again, 4 times 5 equals 20. So you can see how this flipping happens with division and multiplication. So it really isn't all that difficult if you think of it that way. Now let's look at a few more examples just so you all stay happy campers. 80 divided by 10 equals question mark. Now remember, think 10 times what, or 10 times question, equals 80. Well, 10 times 8 equals 80, so 8 is our answer. 42 divided by 7 equals question mark. Think 7 times what equals 42. Well, 7 times 6 equals 42. So 42 divided by 7 equals 6. And the last one, 15 divided by 3 equals question mark. Think 3 times what equals 15? Well, 3 times 5 equals 15. So 5 is our answer. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So it's very easy to turn a division question into a multiplication question. And if you've been practicing your tables or you're still working on them, keep working on them, and you'll soon find that basic division questions are extremely easy. Even without a calculator, sometimes you can do it much faster than people with a calculator. So there you have it, a very easy way to do some basic division. If you're still not sure, look over the video a few times, use the little pictures, remember to ask those questions, think the opposite, and you will very, very soon be doing division, basic division at least, without any difficulty whatsoever. We'll look at long division in another video at another time. Here's my contact information. My name again is Ron Johnson from LTL Tutoring Central. There's my website and my email, so you can get a hold of me, ask me a question. Of course, you can subscribe, you can make a comment, you can like, you can ask a question right here on YouTube. And don't be afraid of math. Don't be afraid of any math. I'm doing a fractions course, should be coming up soon. Just jump in, play around with it. Math is very, very interesting. You can see just how great it is with division when the numbers are just flipping positions. Math always works. If you plug in the right numbers and you do the operations correctly, it always works. It comes out with the same answer every time. So have fun with math, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.